Being an organizing freak, I keep on getting this question that how I keep my home clean and organized. I am Priyanka and you all are watching Organizopedia. You know, there's a saying by Marie Kondo that the objective of cleaning is not just to clean, but to feel that happiness within that environment. So I'm simply following this quote and keeping my home clean because a clean home gives you a lot of mental peace and at the same time you're getting plenty of time for yourself, which is very important in this kind of a busy life. So in today's video, I'm simply going to share my everyday habits of keeping my home clean. I already have a video and I know so many of you are already following those tips, and those who are not, maybe this video will motivate you a little bit for keeping your home clean. So let's get started. I cannot emphasize more on this. As soon as you wake up, make your bed. It really makes a big difference in how tidy the room looks, and the best thing is it only takes a couple of minutes. So I usually do this task as soon as my child left for his school, because that time is the best time for me to clean my whole home. So at this time only I like to keep things back to their places, and I clean my study desk also. In most of our homes, we follow to keep our footwears outside. Reason, in India, we have seen our elders eating and sleeping on floor. And because of that one reason, we always try to keep our footwears outside. What your shoes pick from outside are bacteria, germs and dirt which should never be allowed inside the home, especially when you have toddlers rolling all over the floor. To avoid that, just keep the shoe rack or a basket near the entrance. By doing so, your house will be more hygiene and clean at the same time. Especially in summers, there is one annoying pest in kitchen which is very common in all the homes. That is a fly. I know मक्खियाँ सबके घर में होती हैं गर्मियों में. Whether you're cutting vegetables or fruits, they'll come and sit on the leftovers. So to avoid that, keep a container near to you for taking peels of vegetables and don't leave anything on the countertop. Immediately throw it in the dustbin to avoid the flies. Always make sure to clean your kitchen and never leave any sort of stains or veggie peels on the countertop. Simply use wet cloth for cleaning the countertops. If you want to keep your home clean, place doormats in your home. मैं ऐसे नहीं कह रही हूँ कि पूरे घर में बस हमें doormats रखने हैं, but keep them according to the logic. Keep one just outside the home and keep one at the entrance. Keep them outside the bathrooms and you'll see a lot of difference in your home. After my son left for the school, the first thing I do is the dusting. I make sure to dust my home at least thrice a week. For that, I simply take a microfiber duster, dust the surface first with a dry duster to pick the loose dirt from the surface, and after that I take a wet cloth, or you can spray a little bit of Colin or a DIY cleaner to clean it properly. If I talk about myself, for me this dusting process just takes hardly 15 to 20 minutes to clean my whole home. So I know this might sound a little difficult for the beginners, but once you'll start doing this, you will see a lot of difference in your home. Buy some place at your entrance for keeping those small but essential things near to that space. Like hang your home and car keys at one place. And if you don't have a key hanger, don't worry, just place a bowl, keep it in foil and keep your keys. Keep your shopping bags at one place, and in this way you will never go looking for these things in your home. If you already have designated place for all these things, plus your clutter will be organized. area after cooking or cleaning the dishes is a very good habit for keeping your home clean. To clean the sink, remove everything from the top. I use dish powder, just sprinkle it on the sink, and on the powder I use Mr. Muscle. I just spray it little bit on it, and then with the help of a scrubber, I scrub the sink. So the sink is quite dirty because I am cleaning it after a long trip from Hyderabad. That is why it's so very dirty, and then rinse it with normal water. And everyone should follow this habit, clear any stray food in the sink to avoid the future blockage. And then use a cloth to dry the sink. Same with the wash basin also in the bathroom. When everybody has taken the shower, dry it up. Clean the spillage near the basin, otherwise those marks will become a difficult task to clean later on. Have a designated basket for each kind of a cloth you wash. Try to keep those baskets in the convenient locations so that laundry is never left lying on the floor. And when it's a time for washing, no sorting is required. Laundry is always a hot topic. So what I do is, I just do at least one load every day to make my home a little less messy and my laundry task a little more easy. I always involve my family or watch something on the computer while doing this task. But never leave clothes unfolded for the next day. This way, you will keep on adding the piles of clothes and then it will become something which you can never imagine. And once I fold them, I like to keep them back to their places. So these were my habits for keeping my home clean. I really hope I have motivated so many of you. If so, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be organized, happy cleaning, and bye-bye.